Getting paid is the only part of running a business that actually matters. Yet Stripe manages to make your own money feel like it is trapped in a digital waiting room. You see the sales notification, you see the balance climbing, but your bank account stays empty. Why does it take 2 days for some people and 2 weeks for others? You are likely staring at a pending status right now and wondering if you set something up wrong or if the system is just broken. It is time to stop guessing when your cash will actually arrive and start telling Stripe exactly when you want it. First, open up your Stripe dashboard and head straight to the balances page. This is where you actually see the gears turning. If you just opened your account, you need to prepare for a bit of a wait because Stripe places a mandatory hold on your first payout that usually lasts between 7 and 14 days. They do this to verify you are a real person selling real things. So do not panic if that first transfer feels like it is taking forever. Once you pass that initiation, you can take the wheel. Look for your payout settings. If you are in the US, you are automatically on a 2-day rolling schedule. This means the money you made on Monday hits your bank on Wednesday. If you are in the UK or Europe, things might move a bit slower, depending on local banking rules, but you still have the power to change the frequency. To customize this, find the Schedule toggle. You can stick with Automatic, which is the Set It and Forget It option, but you need to choose the interval. Daily is the standard choice for keeping cash flow moving, but you can also switch to weekly or monthly if you prefer getting one big lump sum on a specific day. If you are a control freak who wants to decide exactly when the transfer happens, switch your settings to Manual. This stops Stripe from sending money on its own and lets you trigger a payout whenever you feel like it. Just remember that payouts batch at midnight UTC, so if you miss that window, you are essentially adding another day to the wait. This delay exists because the banking system is significantly slower than the internet. When a customer pays you, the money settles into your Stripe balance almost instantly. But the payout is a separate journey from Stripe to your bank. Banks usually take another 1 to 3 business days to actually show that deposit in your available balance. It is also worth noting that weekends and holidays do not count as business days, so if you expect a payout on a Saturday, you won't see it until Monday or Tuesday. You now have the exact roadmap for your money. You know how to track it, how to speed it up, and exactly why those delays happen. You are no longer at the mercy of a default setting. You can go into your dashboard right now and align your payouts with how you actually run your life.